Benefits of black beans nutrition. Black beans are a food that everyone can benefit from keeping in their kitchen cabinets. And it's easy to benefit from black beans nutrition as they are an extremely affordable source of protein, filling fiber, disease-fighting antioxidants, and numerous vitamins and minerals. Studies have linked eating black beans with helping to protect against inflammation, heart disease, weight gain, diabetes, certain cancers, and common nutrient deficiencies that we often see in people eating a typical Western diet. The health benefits of black beans, their versatility, and their high nutrient content make them an excellent choice for both plant-based eaters and omnivores alike. 1. Improve cardiovascular health. Black beans protect heart health in numerous ways, one of the most important being that they reduce inflammation. Black beans nutrition contains high levels of phytonutrients, especially flavonoids called delphinidin, betunidin, and malvidin, which studies have shown work to control lipid, fat, metabolism and to positively aid in high levels of antioxidants which help protect against cancer. The important flavonoid and phytochemical compounds found in black beans act as antioxidants and anti-inflammatories, making them beneficial in protecting against various forms of cancer. 6. This is especially true with colon cancer. Some sources report that black beans, with their deep black color, are the highest bean source of antioxidants. 3. A high source of filling fiber. Beans are one of the top high-fiber foods and are something I recommend everyone eats regularly. Black beans make an exceptionally filling addition to any recipe, with their high levels of dietary fiber, about 15 grams per cup, but also because of their combination of complex carbs and protein. 4. Improves digestion. The high fiber content of the amazing black beans nutrition helps to improve digestion by keeping the digestive tract clear of toxic buildup. Fiber acts like a broom for the digestive system, working to push waste through the digestive tract so the bacteria of the gut flora can remain balanced. 5. Provides long-lasting energy. It's very important to consume the right type of carbohydrates in the form of whole, unrefined vegetables, starches, legumes and occasionally sprouted grains in order to keep blood sugar levels stable. Beans and legumes contain a form of complex carbohydrate called starch, which the body is able to slowly digest and use for energy without spiking blood sugar levels. This makes black beans a food that is considered low on the glycemic index.